right, guys, I'm going to read you the Module 3 test so that you can click back and forth between my video and the test. Here is the first question. It says, which of the clocks below shows 5:45? So you're just looking at the clocks and deciding which one shows 5:45. Number 2, what is 76 plus 15? Make sure you work it out, either by using just the numbers or by drawing your base 10, one or the other, but work the problem out. Number 3, there were some people on a boat. 35 more people got on the boat, and now there are 53 people on the boat. So how many people were on the boat before more got on the boat? So think about this. This is a start unknown, an addition start unknown problem, because 35 more got on. So in order to solve this one, you're finding the difference in 35 and 53. This is your total. We want that small part. So we're either going to have to subtract our two numbers, or we're going to start here at 35 and add on to it until we get to 53. All right, number 4. The Right Price car dealership sold 26 trucks last weekend. They had 21 trucks left. How many trucks were there before they sold some of them? So this is going to be a start unknown. We don't know what they started with. They sold 26 trucks, so this time they're getting rid of 26 and they've got 21 left. So this is a start unknown subtraction sentence. So we have to put this number and this number back together again so that we can find out what they had to start with. All right, the next one, we are just answering the math problem. 32 plus 19. It doesn't matter that this is on the beginning and the front. We're still just adding 32 and 19. Work that out. Number 6, which of the following is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So you're looking for the four-sided figure. Deborah has a dentist appointment after school. So think about this as after school. The appointment time is shown on the clock below. What time is her appointment? So you are telling the time, and you have two choices here in times, but you also have two choices for AM or PM, but this one is after school, so decide which one is the best. Number 8, Janie put a bowl of cherries on the counter. Her family ate 3 of them. Now there are 18 cherries left. How many cherries were in the bowl before her family ate some of them? So this time we've got some cherries in a bowl. Her family ate 20 of them, so that means they're subtracting. Now there are 18 cherries left. So in order to find out the answer to this one, we've got to put the two numbers back together again. Number 9, there were 63 cows on the Riggs farm. Some are in the barn and some are in the field. Which of the following shows how many cows might be in the barn and in the field? We are looking for 63. We want the choice that when we put the numbers together, we get 63. Number 10, solve the subtraction problem. 47 minus 30. Please work it out. That one won't take you long to work out. Number 11, at the fair, there are 42 people in line for the roller coaster and 23 people in line for the fun house. How many fewer people are in line for the fun house? So think about what we're doing. If it says how many fewer, we're finding the difference in the two. Number 12, Yolanda drew a picture using a total of 32 squares and circles. How many squares and circles might she have used to draw her picture? So we're looking for the one that makes 32. We want 32 total. Number 13, which of the following subtraction sentences is correct? So you have to solve every one of them until you get to the one that is correct. Draw your 66, take away 28, see if it makes 38. Draw 63, take away 21, see if it makes 32. Please work them out. Number 14, which of the following shapes has 6 angles? Remember, angles are your corners, and that can be a corner like this one or a corner like this one. You have to count every one of them. We're looking for the one that has 6 angles. Number 15, a scientist counted how many seals and sharks there were near her boat. There were 28 seals and 14 sharks. How many more seals than sharks were there? So we're finding the difference in 28 and 14. Number 16, Ella has a stamp collection. Her mother gave her 20 more stamps for her birthday. Now Ella has 48 stamps. How many stamps did she have before her mother gave her more? So she had a stamp collection. Mother gave her 20 more, so we're adding 20 there. Now she's got 48. So in order to figure out what she started with, we have to take her total and take away the 20 to see what she started with. This is our whole. We're trying to find the other part. So we either have to subtract, or we're taking this 20 and counting up to 48 to see what the other small number is. Number 17, what is 27 plus 13? Please work it out. Number 18, what is 63 minus 21? Again, work it out. Number 19, what shape has 3 sides and 3 angles? Your choices are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Which one has 3 sides and 3 angles? And then number 20, when do you eat breakfast? In the AM or PM? Please make sure you work your problems out. If you need to go back and check some of them, go back and check them.